Hey, good morning, guys. This morning has been just one of those days where I am not, I don't know, my brain isn't working on all 8 cylinders. I don't even think I have 8 cylinders. Anyways, it's just one of those like really bad days where I'm struggling to focus and get my ideas out and everything, and I don't know, like I just can't focus, and it's driving me nuts. Yeah, so I don't know. So I think actually I know the reason why I'm in a trial version of a medication for my ADHD, and it's more geared for like nighttime, so it's making me really drowsy. So like my brain just feels like I'm wading through fog. It's not right. It just doesn't, things don't feel right. Anyways, okay. Let's get some points down. So the first thing is, as always, if you have suggestions or questions or any, like you are wondering how to draw something, or if you're interested in a type of process or something like that, if I do it and I know how to do it, or it's something I can easily learn, I can teach it. So if you have any questions like that, please let me know in the comments, and I will try and gear videos towards that type of thing. If you, by any chance, are wondering what's happening with the 100 Days of Comics Challenge, I am in the preliminary versions of that. So basically I have the comic I want to do. I actually have 2 comics I want to do for it, and you're just supposed to work on a comic for like half an hour each day, which is fine. I have been, again, with this medication, been really struggling to get focused and get motivated, so I am actually putting it on a little bit of a hiatus. Once I get this whole thing sorted out, I will be able to focus on it more, and I am still doing like outlines and stuff for each chapter, so I want to have a lot of preliminary work done before I start doing the art, because it makes it so much easier to have like a little pebble path as to what you will be doing, or what I will be doing for the comics. And I'm kind of going to work 2 comics together, so it's going to be Pipe Dreams, which is a fan comic, and then the other one is a Thula, which is an original story, and it's like set in space, so it's completely different from Pipe Dreams. Pipe Dreams is more of like a slice of life type thing. Yeah. There's that. Alright. So those are the 3 things I wanted to update you guys on. I may do a video on drawing like clothed characters and stuff, because obviously these guys are not well, they have pants on, but I don't know, I need to practice drawing different types of clothes more, so I might do a video on that. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. That's a good goal to have, to write that down. Anyway, yeah. Luckily, this crap that I'm taking isn't affecting the way I draw, because if it was doing that, I would freak the hell out. But it's just affecting like my mental capacity, I guess it is, I would want to say. Like, it's just like you're sitting there and you're like surrounded by brain fog. And I've had brain fog before. Like, I've gone through burnout a couple of times, and burnout is just when you like mentally drive yourself into the ground. if you haven't ever done that before, but like it's just one of those things, right? Like you just get so mentally drained, and that's what this feels like. And I'm not mentally drained. Like I had a really good night's sleep, and it's just like I feel so bleh. Anyway, I don't know. I gotta work on that stuff, and I've babbled for enough. So time, I'm done with that. And the pages for Pipe Dreams concept. I don't know. I figure if I can do like little illustrations or even little panel illustrations each day, which I have been doing, I have been working on like either character designs or layouts or something to do with Pipe Dreams. It's just I haven't been taking video of it, and I don't know, it's just one of those things that I probably should be taking video, but I'm not. Anyway. Okay, I think I've rambled on enough for this video. I'm gonna cut this here. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions or issues with anything, please let me know. And yeah, chat at you guys later. Bye.